My name's Matt Dobbs. I'm the chairman of the Stride Technical Committee, and here we have a series of videos with some practical advice for farmers on how to improve mobility, reducing lameness in the UK dairy herd. The 2024 Stride survey showed that farmers are concerned about infectious causes of lameness. Fowl, digitaldermatitis, these diseases still cause major impacts and lame cows. So understanding how you can address these problems at an individual and herd level is an important part of delivering a foot health plan.
Hello, I'm Anthony Marsh, Director of Hoof Count. We make automatic foot baths.
Hi, I'm Dave Charles, International Business Development Manager at Novax Healthcare.
So there are massive benefits to foot bathing for the dairy herds. Dairy cows need to try and keep the feet clean, they need to keep the feet disinfected. And when we look at many infectious diseases found on the hoof around farms, then foot bathing is a good way of preventing them. So we're not foot bathing to treat cows, we're foot bathing to prevent the infectious diseases from taking place, such as digitaldermatitis. So automatic foot baths is what Hoof Count are known for and what we do, and we like the fact that it's automated because it's another job that doesn't need doing by people on farm. It's a job that is then consistent. There's a lot of robotic systems milking coming out, so that means that then another job that's automated can be foot bathing. Also, chemical handling is a big safety concern nowadays, so if we can have a system that automates the chemical handling, that's better for the farmer. But also the number of cows going through a bath. If there's too many go through, the problem of the bath is it gets too much slurry in it and becomes ineffective. Well, if we can refresh it at the right number of cows, that makes it more efficient and effective for the cows, and stops any infection spreading around the herd a lot easier. So as well as the foot bath preventing any problems, Hoof Count over the last couple of years have been developing the PediView, which is a camera on the front of the bath which is looking directly at the hoof. And so we are looking really at early detection of any hoof lesions, so digitaldermatitis, maybe one or two other things in there, but picking up really early signs of any potential issues and lesions on the hoof, which then they can be treated a bit quicker, and hopefully the cow will then get full recovery a lot quicker rather than it becoming a chronic problem.
So when treating infectious lesions, it's important, once you've done your early detection, that we get prompt and effective treatment. So before we apply any product, you want to make sure you've cleaned the hoof off and you've got good visualization of the lesion before then applying an appropriate product and following a full protocol. Reducing antibiotic use on farm is really topical at the moment, and historically infectious lameness has always been managed with antibiotics. We now know that if we can optimize that hoof environment and we can protect it from the environment, then we can reduce our antibiotic use whilst controlling infectious lameness on farm. So traditional fabric bandages are something every farmer will be used to, but we know a lot of them fall off. We also know, because they're fabric, they trap moisture and debris up, and they can actually trap that around a lesion or around a site. What would be preferable would be something waterproof or hydrophobic that's going to keep the water and the environment out, or a gel barrier that will stay in place and can't be lost to the environment.
People often ask what's the most important thing to put in a foot bath. Obviously they're thinking about what chemical do they use, but the most important thing to put in a foot bath is the cow's foot. If it's done regularly, it's done effectively with a clean solution, then you're going to get an effective result as well.
In terms of managing infectious lameness when we have it on the farm, top tip would be effective treatment and something that's going to offer that protection from the environment and last well.